I think some problem with open board. It's not getting opened. Okay. Can you all just be on line? I'll just restart my system because no board is opening.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, please don't go away. I'll just restart my system and come back.
Ma'am.
Okay, ma'am. Okay, ma'am.
Right.
Can you all see the board?
Ma'am, this is the whiteboard, right?
Yeah, actually my system is not getting on. I mean, some problem with my system, I guess. So I've just on from the mobile. You are able to see everything.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, I'll just take class.
Ma'am, we are able
only
to see a whiteboard.
What dear?
So, ma'am, I was saying that we are able to see the whiteboard.
You are seeing whiteboard, right?
Yeah, ma'am.
Yeah, I'll take class from here today. I'll try to record this and just trying to record the session also.
Actually, whiteboards won't be recorded.
Ma'am, session is recording, but the whiteboard, whatever the things are you are writing on the whiteboard will not come in the recording, ma'am.
I know. Don't worry. I will upload one PDF file for you for whatever we am doing because already I have stored material which I have taken even last year. Those PDF files will be there. The same problems I'll upload. Don't worry about that.
Thank you, ma'am.
Just concentrate because the system is not getting on also. That is my problem. I will try to make it ready by today. Let's see what can be done. From Monday, I think
Ma'am, your voice is not clear, coming properly.
I think now you'll be able to hear. Okay. Can just take down. Today I'm going to prove a different type of a problem. You can hear me, right?
Ma'am, can you speak a little bit louder?
Yeah, wait. Yeah. Today we are going to see a different type of a problem. You can just take down if W is equals to log Z. If W is equals to log Z. Is it clear for you all?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. If W is equals to log Z, find dW by dZ. Find dW by dZ and find where W is not analytic. And find where W is not analytic. Okay. If W is equals to log Z, find dW by dZ and find where W is not analytic. Now listen, you all know what is dW by
Excuse
dZ
me?
because it is,
Ma'am, what you are writing on the whiteboard is coming vertically to us, not horizontally.
that only I asked whether you are able to see or not.
It's coming sideways, ma'am. Like
Because I'm not used to take class from this phone. No. No.
Yes, ma'am. It's correct.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Now it is fine.
Okay, fine. Now, what is the question is, we have to find dW by dZ and find where W is not analytic. But you know what is dW by dZ, directly you know it, but we are going to prove it in a different way. I mean, using the analytic functions and we are going to prove this. So W is equals to log Z is there. So whenever you have W is equals to log Z, it is a standard identity. You have to remember, you can write this W as log Z as 1 by 2 into log of x square plus y square. Okay, 1 by 2 into log of x square plus y square plus I into tan inverse of y by x plus I into tan inverse of y by x. I will tell you how it is coming. Okay, but you can remember this is an identity. Whenever you have log Z, you can write this as 1 by 2 into log of x square plus y square plus I into tan inverse of y by x. Let me tell you how it is. I mean, I'll just tell you how it is coming after the completing the problem. Okay. Now just remember this as an identity. Now what is your W? W is U plus IV. W is U plus IV. Now you can equate this. U is equals to 1 by 2 into log of x square plus y square and V is equals to tan inverse of y. Find ux, uy, vx and vy and give me the answer. Find ux, uy, Vx, Vy.
Ma'am, ux is x upon x square plus y square.
What is u?
Ux is equals to x upon x square plus y square.
Very good. Now your ux.
Y is, ma'am, y is y upon x square plus y square. Uy is
Yeah,
y
wait,
upon
let me
x
write
square
ux.
plus. Ma'am,
Okay,
just change
ux is
this much, ma'am. Ux is this and uy is y upon x square plus y square.
yes. So ux is x by x square plus y square, and uy is y by x square plus y square. And similarly, what is your vx?
Minus y by x square plus y square.
So minus y by, you will get x square plus y square, and vy will be equal to minus, not minus,
Plus
plus x by
x bar.
x square plus y square. Okay.
Yes.
Now listen, you have got ux, you have got uy, you have got vx, and we have got vy. Okay. So what is the question? If w is equal to log z, find dw by dz is one question. And find where w is not analytic. Now we will check the CR equations. Okay. We will check the CR equations. We have to check ux is equals to vy. See here, this is your ux and this is your uy. Okay. So here ux is equals to vy and uy is equals to vx minus vx. You are getting it. But is it satisfied in all the places? Is the CR equation satisfied in the entire domain?
Ma'am, accepted origin.
Very good. Except at origin, because at the origin you are getting what?
0 by 0.
Defined by.
Determinant form. So therefore write down. Just write down. Sorry. CR here, hence CR equations are satisfied. Hence CR equations are satisfied. Hence CR equations are satisfied except at the origin. Except at the origin. You can just write down ux is equals to vy and uy is equals to minus vx. Here ux is equals to vy and uy is equals to minus x. Hence the CR equations are satisfied except at the origin. Therefore w is equals to log z. Therefore w is equals to log z is not analytic at the origin or at 0, 0. W is equals to log z is not analytic at 0, 0. Okay. Now this one part of the question has been proved. What was the question? One was find where W is not analytic. So we have showed that the W is not analytic at the origin. Now next one is we have to find W is equals to D by DW. Sorry, DW by DZ. We have to find DW by DZ. Okay. What is DW by DZ? DW by DZ we should find. Now what is W, ma?
Differentiation
What
of
dear?
logs.
Yeah,
Ma'am, 1 by
differentiation of
z.
log.
1 by z.
Yeah, you know the answer 1 by z, but you are not going to write it directly. We are going to use the analytic concepts and we are going to write it. Now, dw by dz we want. What is w? W is a function of u and v. W is a function of u and v. You all know that w is a function of u and v. Now, when you do the partial differentiation, we want the exact differentiation here. So using that concept, you can write this as either you can write it in terms of x or you can write the partial differentiation in terms of y. So dw by dz can be written as ux plus I into vx. dw by dz can be written as ux plus I into vx, or you can even write it as ui plus I into vy. So this is easy. So we'll write it of ux plus I into vx. You know what is ux? You have already solved ux. See, ux value is here, x by x square plus y square. So we will replace that value here. Okay, so ux can be written as x by x square plus y square plus I into vx can be written as minus y by x square plus y square. Now listen, can you all hear me? The denominators are common. You can write this as x minus iy divided by x square plus y square. Okay, you can write this as x minus iy into x square plus y square. Again, denominator you can write it as x minus iy divided by x plus iy into x minus iy. X minus iy will be getting cancelled. So after cancelling x minus iy, you will get 1 by x plus iy. What is 1 by x plus iy? 1 by z. Can you all hear me?
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, we have
Yes,
to
ma'am.
derive it completely. We can't write directly 1 by z.
No, you cannot
Okay.
write directly. You know, initially itself, you know, w is the differentiation of log z is going to be 1 by z. But I'm showing it using the differentiation concepts. Okay.
Ma'am, so we could use uy plus iby also.
Yeah, you can use that also. Okay, now listen. Now
Excuse
I
me,
tell
ma'am.
you, I told you, no, log z. What did I say? I said about the log z, right? Log z, I told you can directly write it as 1 by 2 into log of x square plus y square plus I into tan inverse of y by x. Let me tell you how it is coming. Okay.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Tell me.
Ma'am, how we are getting that dw by dz equal to ux plus I into vx?
Ma w is a see, w is a function of x and y. Correct. W is a function of x and y. What is w? W is equals to f of z. What is w? See, listen. W is equals to f of z, and f of z you can write it as u plus iv. And we want differentiation. I mean, u is a function of x and y. V is a function of x and y. This is the crux here. W is equals to f of z. F is a function of u and y. U and v are functions of x and y. What we want? We want dw by dz. We want dw by dz. Z is a z is a variable, complex function, a complex variable which contains x and y. So when you do differentiation, we want, when we want exact differentiation, we have to take either with respect to x, partial differentiation with respect to x, or respect to y. So that's why I can write dw by dz as ux plus ivx, because u and v are there. We want either with respect to x, or we can write it with respect to y. So these all things you would have studied in your lower classes itself, right? Okay, now let me tell you how I'm getting that formula, log z formula. Okay, now listen, log z. I can write it as log of r e power I theta when I write it in the polar form. So I can write this as log r plus log e power I theta. Now, what is log r? Log r is square root of x square plus y square. You know what's the value of r, and log to the base e will become inverse functions. So you'll get I into theta. Now, here you can write it as log of x square plus y square whole power 1 by 2 plus I into tan inverse of y by x. Now bring this 1 by 2 to this side. So you can write it as 1 by 2 into log of x square plus y square plus I into tan inverse. So always you remember this. Whenever you have log z, if you have to express in terms of x and y, you have to express it as 1 by 2 into log of x square plus y square plus I into tan inverse of y by x. Is it clear?
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, can
Yes,
we
ma'am.
copy this? You give us a minute.
What dear?
Ma'am, can we write it down?
Yeah, you can take it down.
Thank you, ma'am.
I think it's better I stop here itself, because it's really not comfortable for me to take here in the class, and I think you will also have the same problem. So next class I'll take the other things here.
Okay, ma'am.
Anyway, I'll upload this slide for you, a PDF file which contains this problem, solved problem. Okay. Just take the attendance. I'll just call the absentees. Kanak Silahun Abera. Kriti Sharia. Mukundan Rajkumar. Mukundan Rajkumar. Then Pritish Chakraborty. And Navanida Krishna. Navanida Krishna. Navanida Krishna. All the others I'm giving you present. And I'm sorry for the things because my system is still hanged. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
So
Thank you,
other
ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am. Good evening,
Thank you,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.